Today we are here and we are making a Maggi with scrambled eggs. It's very simple and it's very delicious and it's very tasty. The ingredient you need is, here you can see, you need is a chili, one chili, chop it nicely, and two, the onion, chop it nicely in small square box onion. Now light the lighter of the gas stove in slow flame. Now just put your pan in it and just make it super hot and put an oil in it and just keep it for a while. After putting an oil, just wait for the pan to get hot and get the onion and also the chili in it. Now the thing you have to do is stir nicely and firmly, and watch out that it's not that too hot that your onion becomes fried totally. And the thing is, you need to a little bit salt in it. Put a little bit salt in it. Now put the Maggi in it and stir very nicely, gently. Well stirred is the way to cook a fried Maggi. Now stir nicely. Don't make the pan too super hot, or don't make the pan too hot. Just put it in medium or low flame. Now put the Maggi masala in it nicely. You put the Maggi masala completely. You put the Maggi masala. Now the thing you have to do is stir well, nicely, firmly. Put in the low flame and stir, not on the high flame. Now after stirring a while, you give a little bit of water so that you get dry and wetty Maggi in it. So put a little bit water and just wait for 2 or 3 minutes or 1 minute. After that, you can see the formation will be like this, and after 2 or 3 minutes it will be cooked and the Maggi will be ready. It's almost ready. Now it's been cooked and it's been dry and it's been wetty. So now the Maggi is ready and it's delicious and tasty. You can try the Maggi. Now we are making a scrambled egg. So for the scrambled egg, you need an onion and chili, and you need one egg for it. So just pour the egg in the glass and mix it well with the salt nicely. The salt required a little bit. Now make the pan hot. The pan should be low flame, not high flame, and stir the oil nicely and put the onion and chili in it and stir a little bit. After stirring a little bit, just put the egg in it. Now the procedure of scrambled eggs, you have to stir well, nicely and firmly. It's a soft scrambled egg and it's made with low flame. If you give high flame, it becomes like rough. So put in the low flame and mix nicely. Scramble egg, circling it, and the scrambled egg is ready. Now put it with the Maggi, and the recipe of scrambled egg and the Maggi is ready. You can have it in the breakfast, nicely cooked, and it's very tasty, yummy. You should try making this scrambled egg with Maggi masala, and it's very good and it's good for breakfast. So guys, subscribe, like, comment and share my channel.